For assertion and the reasoning based questions, these are the questions 19 and 20. Assertion is for question number 19. The assertion is that the maximum value of cos inverse x is pi squared. Now we know that the cos inverse x has the principal range uh, between 0 to pi, and the pi is the maximum value. So if I make the square of this, so it's saying that the maximum value of cos inverse x, so the maximum value is pi square, and if I make the square of this, so this is pi square. So the assertion is true. Let's check the range. The range of the principal value of branch is cos inverse x is minus pi by 2, which is wrong with because it's 0 to pi. So in this case, assertion is true and reason is false. Assertion is true, but R is false is the correct. So you can mark it for C. Okay, for question number 20, assertion if a line makes an angle alpha, beta, and gamma with the positive direction of coordinate axis. So it's given that a line is making an angle. So this is a line which makes an angle of alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis, and gamma with z-axis. Now, we have to show that sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to 2. No. And for that, we know that the relation between the direction cosines L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. And L square is cos square alpha, M is cos beta, N is cos square gamma. Now cos square alpha, I can write it as 1 minus sine square alpha in terms of sine. This is 1 minus sine square beta, 1 minus sine square gamma is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this is 3, and if we take negative common, for sine square alpha, sine square beta plus sine square gamma, which is equal to 1, and this gives me sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the assertion is true, and the sum of the squares of rational cosines of a line is 1. So this is the reason why we got this. So in this case, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So A is the correct option for question number 20. Let's move on to section B.